Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're starting in Roblox. Open the Xanwood game and ensure your avatar is ready, with no cosmetic items that block movement. First, join the correct server. Use the in-game map to locate the Xanwood marker region. Once connected, head to the central plaza and follow the NPC hints. They give direction cues. Move at a steady pace, checking rooftops and alleyways as you go, because markers often hide in unexpected elevations. Make sure to enable sound. Audio cues can confirm proximity. Now concentrate on the mid-phase. Search interior rooms, basements, and under stairs, systematically clearing each area. Use sprint and crouch to peek into tight spaces. Crouch reveals low ledges that sprinting misses. Once you find visual glints, stop and scan the surroundings for color-coded sigils. Xanwood markers often have a teal glow. If you have teammates, split search zones and call out coordinates. Keep checking the in-game compass. It narrows your search radius and saves time. Also check scheduled events. Some markers spawn. To complete, interact with the marker precisely. Stand centered, face the emblem, and press the action key until the animation finishes. This ensures proper registration. Once collected, confirm your inventory and any quest updates. If it fails to register, relog to the same server and repeat the interaction. This refresh often fixes desync. For a single key troubleshooting tip, clear your cache or switch servers if animations freeze, because client lag is the most common issue. Doing so usually restores proper interactions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.